Gentlemen, my name is Justin Mark, international dating coach, relationship expert, VIP lifestyle development coach, professional fuckboy, and funny douchebag at your local party. So it's actually really interesting because every time you ever ask your girl, what do you like in guys? They'll say, I like guys who make me laugh. Or they'll be like, I like guys who are funny, right? And in this video, I'm gonna talk to you about how to be a funny guy, how to make girls laugh, and how to be that guy that girls perceive to be funny in an attractive way instead of the dancing clown weirdo. So let's sit back, jump in, and let's kick into it. So you want to be funny, but you also want to be taken seriously. You want to be the guy who is entertaining, funny, charismatic, charming, smooth, elegant, suave, but also very, hilarious, entertaining, emotionally arousing, articulate, and, intriguing in a cocky, funny way, right? Well, how do you be that guy? What you don't want to be is the dancing monkey, the crazy clown guy, the guy who's just like entertaining the girls in a gimmick way and then goes home by himself, right? You don't want to be that guy. So what do you do to get yourself into a positive mindset where you are funny? And how do you make sure the girl takes you seriously in a funny way? Let's talk about some strategies here. So you're out and about, you're at the bar, you're at the club, and maybe you're not in a good mood. Maybe you're in a bad vibe. What you can do is you can actually do two things. You can partner up with a wingman, build an amazing friendship and relationship with that wingman, to become one of your best friends, and you guys go out and meet girls together, okay? And through that vibe, the connection, the chemistry, you'll constantly be pushing yourself to be in a better emotional state. You'll have inside jokes, you'll have funny, witty banter between each other, you'll push each other to be the best versions of yourself, and you'll have a lot of fun. And when you enter new social interactions with new girls you're talking to, they're gonna be able to feel that positive vibe off you. Now, here's another thing you can do. You can actually do dares. You and your wingman, or you and your friends, or you and yourself, you can dare each other to do crazy, crazy stuff. Crazy jokes, crazy funny things. You can dare your wingman to, go up to a girl and say, hey, I love you. Right? And maybe he'll dare you to go up to the next girl and say, hi, let's get married, I love you. Let's get married in Vegas. And you'll do these dumb witty games or these dumb crazy things, or you'll dare your buddy to scream penis in public, or you'll dare your wingman to, or he'll dare you to, fucking go approach a group of hot girls and invite them to a party. And what that'll do is it'll put you in an even stronger emotional state, and you'll develop this skill set of just being this positive, funny guy. And then you want to practice the law of state transference. Okay, the law of state transference is essentially understanding that people feel what you feel, okay? And realizing that if you can get yourself in a good emotional mood and make yourself laugh, you can make the girls laugh. So what you'll learn to do is have inside jokes with yourself, have funny jokes with yourself, have entertaining jokes that make you laugh, or inside jokes with yourself, essentially, witty banter with yourself. And then when you walk up to girls, you'll share that with her. You'll share what you think is funny. You'll not filter yourself, and you share who you are and what you think is entertaining. You'll say crazy things that are, outside your comfort zone for the day-to-day conversation with a stranger, right? Maybe you have witty banter where you're teasing the girl. Maybe you'll be teasing her in a playful way. Maybe you'll be teasing her in a cocky, funny way, right? In a way that's, not demeaning, but intelligent and articulate, but also entertaining and challenges her, right? And what you'll learn over time is how to effectively, flirt with girls. Be that funny guy. Be that cool, charming individual. Be that kind of, wink, wink, wink guy at the bar who's very funny in a playful way, but can also be taken seriously, okay? And overall, what you'll learn to do is you'll learn to be funny. You'll learn how to develop humor. You'll learn charisma alongside humor. You'll learn things like sarcasm, learning how to be sarcastic, right? And learning how to use your eye contact and facial expressions to demonstrate humor through emotion, through showing, I'm laughing, right? You can make crazy jokes, but you can laugh about it. And because you're laughing, she'll feel that vibe and emotion off of you, and she'll start laughing too. And then you'll go out and kill it. You'll be that funny guy, and guess what? You'll be in that top 20% of guys who knows how to make girls laugh and have a fun time and kill it in your dating life in your social life. So guys, my name is Justin Mark, international dating coach, relationship expert. And if you have any questions, you can always get ahead and message me on Instagram at drunkjustin2. Go ahead and follow me there, and we can chat. I'll message you back, right? Tell me a funny joke and maybe we'll practice your humor there. Make sure to follow me on YouTube. Click the bell notification so you're notified of new videos when you're subscribing. And we'll see you soon in a new video. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you have any questions, any concerns. And thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Mark, international dating coach, relationship expert, VIP lifestyle development coach. I'll see you soon. Peace out.